of climate change. So we already have the natural greenhouse effect, where our greenhouse gases trap heat, which keeps the Earth warm enough to support life. It's really important for the biosphere. However, in recent years, what we've seen with atmospheric CO2 concentrations is that they have increased rapidly. The things that are causing those, human activities that are causing that, industrial development and factories. So 7,000 million cubic tons of CO2 gets released into the atmosphere by factories every year. We've also got 1.4 billion petrol or diesel cars on Earth. So when those combustion engines burn those fossil fuels, it releases more CO2 into the atmosphere. We've also got at one football pitch, a forest is deforested every second. Trees act as carbon sinks, so they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. As you can see, this deforested area is not going to be absorbing carbon dioxide and is not going to be releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. We can also see that in the Amazon rainforest, human activity is driving deforestation because most of the deforestation is happening around roads. Finally, we've got 1 billion cows on the planet. That's a problem because cows release methane when they belch, which is a greenhouse gas, but also the soya that is required to feed these 1 billion cows also causes a lot of deforestation and further releases CO2 into the atmosphere. The result is we get an enhanced greenhouse effect. So all of this human activity means that there is more than normal or a very high concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere, which enhances the greenhouse effect. It makes that blanket of greenhouse gases thicker and leads to increased global warming.